Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss the 7 essential skills every man should master. These skills will not only help you become more self-reliant, but also improve your overall quality of life. So, let's dive in and start mastering these skills. Skill 1: Basic cooking. The first essential skill every man should master is basic cooking. Knowing how to prepare a few simple, healthy meals can save you money, improve your health, and impress your friends and family. Here's how to get started. 1. Learn the basics of cooking techniques like sautéing, boiling, and baking. 2. Master a few simple recipes like pasta, stir-fry, and grilled chicken. 3. Invest in some essential kitchen tools like a good knife, cutting board, and pots and pans. 4. Practice regularly and don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and ingredients. Skill 2: Basic home maintenance. Next up is basic home maintenance. Being able to handle minor repairs and upkeep around your home can save you time and money. Here are some tips to help you become more handy. 1. Learn how to use basic tools like a hammer, screwdriver, and wrench. 2. Familiarize yourself with common household repairs, like fixing a leaky faucet or patching a hole in the wall. 3. Develop a regular maintenance schedule for tasks like changing air filters and cleaning gutters. 4. Don't be afraid to tackle more complex projects as you gain confidence and experience. Skill 3: Financial management. Managing your finances is a crucial skill for every man. Being financially responsible can help you achieve your goals and live a more comfortable life. Here's how to get started. 1. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. 2. Set financial goals, like saving for a down payment on a house or paying off student loans. 3. Learn about investing and start building a diverse portfolio. 4. Regularly review your financial progress and adjust your budget and goals as needed. Skill 4: Effective communication. Effective communication is key to building strong relationships and succeeding in your career. Here are some tips for improving your communication skills. 1. Practice active listening by giving your full attention to the speaker and asking follow-up questions. 2. Develop your emotional intelligence to better understand and respond to others' feelings. 3. Improve your public speaking skills by joining a group like Toastmasters or taking a course. 4. Learn to communicate assertively, expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly and respectfully. Skill 5: Time management. Time management is essential for achieving your goals and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Here are some tips for mastering this skill. 1. Prioritize your tasks by focusing on the most important and time-sensitive items first. 2. Break large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. 3. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and time-blocking techniques to stay organized. 4. Learn to delegate tasks when appropriate and avoid procrastination. Skill 6: Basic car maintenance. Knowing how to perform basic car maintenance can save you money and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Here are some essential car maintenance skills to master. 1. Learn how to change a flat tire and keep a spare tire, jack, and lug wrench in your car. 2. Check and change your car's oil and other fluids regularly. 3. Replace your car's air filter and windshield wipers as needed. 4. Familiarize yourself with your car's owner's manual and follow the recommended maintenance schedule. Skill 7: Self-defense. Finally, every man should know some basic self-defense techniques to protect himself and others in potentially dangerous situations. Here's how to get started. 1. Take a self-defense class or join a martial arts program to learn practical techniques. 2. Develop your situational awareness by being mindful of your surroundings and trusting your instincts. 3. Learn how to de-escalate conflicts through verbal communication and body language. 4. Familiarize yourself with local laws regarding self-defense and the use of force. And there you have it, the 7 essential skills every man should master. By developing these skills, you'll become more self-reliant, confident, and prepared for life's challenges. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay skilled, and see you next time.